Welcome to this tutorial that will show you how to change your name in iPhone messages. Whether you recently changed your name or simply want to update your identity in conversations, this process is very simple and quick. The name you use in iPhone messages reflects on your contacts and all the messages you send. Whether you want to use your real name, a nickname, or any other identifier, the following steps will help you achieve that. Before we begin, make sure you have updated your iPhone to the latest software version. This ensures that you have the best user experience and access to all the latest features. So, without further ado, let's proceed with the process of changing your name in iPhone messages. The first step is to open your settings on your phone. After that, scroll down and find the option Messages. Once you find it, tap on it. Now, in the middle of the screen, you will see the option Share Name and Photo. Tap on it. Tap on Choose Name and Photo at the bottom of the screen. You have the option to either set your avatar or use just the initials of your name and surname. I will leave it up to you to choose. If you prefer to set an avatar, select that option and then click on Continue. Then you have the option to change the background of your avatar. Choose what suits you and click on Continue again. Click on Use here. Now you have the option to enter what you want to be displayed. You can remove your last name and put a nickname or something completely different. Once you have made the desired changes, simply click on Done at the bottom of the screen and your name will be changed. That's it for this video. We hope we have helped you in changing your name. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.